Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing super duper fine. Today I'll be sharing with you guys a new brand. Well, I'm going to introduce with you guys a new hair care and skincare brand. Well, the brand which I am talking about is Natureslavish Skincare. So I have got the Nourish Your Follicles Glossy and Intense Repair Hair Shampoo for dry and frizzy hair, Nourish Your Follicles Glossy and Intense Repair Hair Conditioner for dry and frizzy hair. So basically both of this product will work great for damaged hair. Those who have already damaged their hair by heat styling, you can definitely repair your hair with this combo of hair shampoo and the conditioner. So I'm going to give you in-depth detailed review about this hair care range, as well as I'm going to share with you guys the full demonstration on this particular hair care range. So stay tuned with this video till the end to know more about the products. So their products are made of very natural ingredients and they are crafted beautifully, thinking about the benefits of your healthy skin and your healthy hair. Their products has no silicones, no parabens, sulfate free, toxicity free, chemical free, and they are absolutely cruelty free. Plus their products are absolutely vegan, which is a great point. So firstly, let's talk about their packaging. Both the shampoo and the conditioner bottle comes in a pump style packaging. Looking wise, the outer packaging is very simple and standard. Well, I must tell the color code of this brand will give you a natural, simple feel. It comes in a plastic bottle. So the main ingredients of this shampoo and conditioner are jojoba oil, pure argan oil, shea butter, hydrolyzed keratin, as well as they have aloe vera in it, aqua in it, and they have lot of aloe vera extract in it. So I think this particular hair care range is the perfect combination in order to give your hair that intense repair and bring back the lost luster in your hair. So guys, now it's time for demonstration. Please do not skip the video and watch till the end. Firstly, I'm going to wet my hair nicely with water. Now I'm taking Natureslavish Glossy and Intense Repair Shampoo. You can already see the consistency of the shampoo. It is not too runny, not too thick. So it's quite medium consistency. Now I will be taking this shampoo and will gently apply it all over my scalp. It is producing a slight lather. I'm going to massage my scalp and hair gently. Then I will rinse my hair thoroughly with water and towel dry my hair nicely. Next step is using the Natureslavish Glossy and Intense Repair Conditioner. I have pat dry my hair. Now I will be applying this conditioner from mid-length to the tip, because we don't apply conditioner on our scalp because we will tend to get a lot of hair fall. Guys, this is the condition of my hair currently after using the Natureslavish Intense Repair Shampoo and Conditioner. I think my hair is very soft and silky. The glossiness of the hair is back. So yeah, I am very satisfied, and from my side, I'm going to give Natureslavish hair care range 10 upon 10. So the Natureslavish Intense Repair Hair Shampoo contains 100 ml of product and this is priced at ₹299, and the Natureslavish Intense Repair Hair Conditioner is priced at ₹379 and it contains 100 ml of product. So the Natureslavish hair care range is available in all the online stores, as well as I will link down their personal website in my description box below. Do check it out, guys. So that's all for today's video. Hope you really enjoyed today's video, and if you really did, then please do subscribe my channel, follow all of my social medias, and do not forget to hit that bell icon all to stay notified with all of my upcoming videos. So thank you guys for watching me. Love you, take care, have fun, and just stay tuned with my next video. Bye.